Hello, welcome to SAROJINI SMART LEARNING. This is Murali sir. For you, I bought a new video for today. So for the last two episodes, we are doing on measurement of topics. Yeah. So for the last 4-5 months, we are dealing with the different topics, including Vedic math and Vedic techniques, and easy way of doing calculations and everything. So among them, right now we are dealing with measurements of length. Okay, in measurement again, length will be there, mass, that is kilograms, kilos will be there, then it is in volume, that is in liters. There are three types. Among those three, today we are discussing about one, that is measurement of length. Okay, in the last episode, among this measurement of length, we came to know how to convert meters to centimeters or centimeters to meters. Now, and even we did how to do addition of the measurement of length and subtraction also. In this episode today, we are going to deal with some multiplication as well as division with the measurement. Now we'll check now. This is measurement. This is the main topic. So here we are dealing with length. Okay, this is measurement of length. Now, already addition and subtraction we have covered, and we are going to do with multiplication. How we are going to do with multiplication? This is simple basic multiplication, how you do for your regular multiplication numbers with the tables, the same pattern. The thing is, how you are going to convert again into meters to centimeter or centimeters to meters, whatever it is. So suppose there are 18 centimeter and 14 millimeter is there. Okay, I cannot give 14 millimeters because 10 millimeters is called 1 centimeter. So I can give 7 millimeter. 18 centimeter and 7 millimeters is multiplied by 4. Simply you can write centimeter separately and millimeter separately take. Then under centimeter it is 18 centimeter and 0 millimeter is there. So this is multiplied by 4, that is 4 7s are 28 and 4 is a 0 plus 2, that is 2, and 4 8s are 32, 4 1s are 4 plus 3, 7. Now this is 72 centimeter, 28 millimeters. Generally, when we are discussing 10 millimeters may 1 centimeter we counted, right? So now 28 millimeters is equal to how much? So 28 divided by 10, which is equal to 2.8, that is 2 centimeter and 8 millimeter. This is the main concept. So here already 72 is there. Already you have 72 centimeter, 28 millimeter is there. So on conversion, here we are adding 72 centimeters plus 2 centimeters plus 8 millimeters is nothing but, what is that? 74 centimeter and 8 millimeter is the answer. Okay, so this is nothing but a regular multiplication calculation, but here the things will change as centimeter and millimeter. Then I will show you one more example. Here we take one more example. So here multiply 18 meters 37 centimeter by 8. So directly you can write 18 meters 37 centimeter divided by 8. This is the first process. So 8 7s are 56. 8 3s are 24 plus 5 29, and 8 8s are 64 plus 2 66, 8 1s are 8 plus 6 14. So you got 14696. So first we are going to write centimeter, then meter. So a little bit you may get confused while doing this type of things. So better what you do is first write down meters and write down centimeters. So how many meters were there? 18 meters. How many centimeters? 37 centimeters, right? So we are splitting meter and centimeter separately. and that to be multiplied with 8. Okay, so 8 sevens are 56, 8 threes are 24 plus 5 is 29. So these are nothing but centimeters. Now we'll think about meters. So 8 8s are 64, 8 ones are 8 plus 6, that is 14. So that means you got 144 meters, 296 centimeter you got. But here we got a difference answer. Why we got difference? Because here just check how many centimeters are there, 296. But here 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, or 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So 200 centimeters is equal to 2 meters. So here these 2 meters will add up to main meter. That is 146 plus 2 is 144 plus 2 is 146 meters, and the remaining is 96 centimeter. In this way also we can write whichever you feel comfortable, that you can adopt it. The thing is, you don't make the question is come this way. So write separately meters and centimeters separately, or centimeters or millimeters separately, then you can calculate it. So this will be helpful to you in doing this multiplication. Okay, now I'm going to give some examples on division sum. Now we are going to deal with division sums. So I gave an example like 64 meter 26 centimeters the given the length, and it is divided by 7. So as I told, making the separate form like meters and centimeters. So 64 meters and 26 centimeter is divided by 7. Okay, so for this we need to get 7 table. So 7 nines are 63. Okay, now what you left? 1. Bring down this 2, that makes 12. So 7 ones are 7. On subtraction, what you get? 5, and this is 6. 7 8s are 56. So the answer is 918. 9 is nothing but in meters, 18 is nothing but in centimeters. This is the one way of doing division, and this is the simplest way. Sort out two separately, meters and centimeters, or put a dash. So when you are putting a dash here, when you are taking, you can also put dash. The first part is in meters and second part is in centimeters. So the answer is 9.18 meters also we can call, or 9 meters 18 centimeters also we can call. In this way you can convert it. Okay, so with this small example, I hope you understood the concept of doing measurement of length problems. Okay, so for the last 2 episodes we are discussing about how to do addition, how to do subtraction, how to convert the length from meters to centimeters, centimeters to meters, and today we did multiplication examples as well as division examples. In the coming episode we'll do some word problems also. We definitely hope you will understand and you will enjoy it. Okay, thank you very much for listening my class. Well.